Did you know your brain quietly loses hundreds of neurons every single night? It's not just about getting older, it's because your brain isn't getting the nutrients it needs to protect memory and focus. Forgetting names, losing your train of thought, walking into a room and forgetting why. Today, these may seem like small, harmless moments, but tomorrow, they could become a serious threat to your independence. Today, I'm going to show you 3 fruits that can help repair your brain while you sleep. And remember, the last one is always in your kitchen. I know how scary this can feel. When your memory starts slipping, you worry. You wonder if it's just a normal part of aging or something more serious. You don't want to be a burden to your family. You want to stay sharp, to remember your grandkids' names, the stories you love to tell, and the little moments that make life rich. I understand. Millions of seniors feel exactly the same way. But here's the important part. There is hope. My name is Dr. Catherine Blake. I've worked with seniors for over 25 years, helping people worried about their memory. I've studied brain health, read the latest research, and seen firsthand what really works. What I'm sharing with you today isn't a miracle cure, but it is simple, science-backed, and could make a real difference. Studies from places like Harvard and the Mayo Clinic support it. Here's what I want you to know. 3 fruits. Fruits you can find at any grocery store. Fruits that cost less than $10. Eat them about an hour before bed. And while you sleep, they may go to work, helping your brain cells repair, protecting your memory, and even helping you think more clearly during the day. I'll tell you exactly which fruits to eat, how much, and why scientists believe they work. No expensive supplements, no complicated routines. Just 3 simple fruits and a little bit of hope. Let me tell you about Margaret. She's 72 and lives in Phoenix, Arizona. 2 years ago, Margaret came to see me, terrified. She kept forgetting appointments, forgetting her neighbor's name, sometimes even what she was cooking on the stove. Her daughter was worried, and Margaret was worried too. She feared this was the start of something serious. We ran some tests. Her brain was healthy, but her memory was slipping. I told her about these 3 fruits. She was skeptical, but she decided to try them anyway. Every night, about an hour before bed, she ate the fruits. After 3 weeks, she noticed something small but promising. She remembered her neighbor's name. After 2 months, she stopped missing appointments. After 6 months, her daughter said, "Mom, you seem sharper." Margaret still eats these fruits every night. She says it's the simplest thing she's ever done for her brain, and it might really be working. Now, you're probably wondering, what are these 3 fruits and why do they work? That's exactly what I'm going to explain next. But first, I need you to understand what's actually happening in your brain when your memory starts slipping. Once you see the real problem, the solution will make perfect sense. So, let's talk about what's really happening in your brain. When you're younger, your brain cleans itself every night. While you sleep, it washes away waste, repairs damaged cells, and makes new connections. This happens automatically. But as we get older, this cleaning process slows down. Waste starts to build up in your brain. These are called free radicals. Think of them like rust on metal. They damage your brain cells and make it harder for them to communicate. That's when memory problems start to appear. Your brain needs 2 things to fight this damage. First, it needs antioxidants, little soldiers that fight the rust and protect your brain cells. Second, it needs something called neuroplasticity. That's just a fancy word for your brain's ability to repair itself and make new connections. The problem is, as we age, we often don't get enough of these protective nutrients. We eat the same foods we've always eaten, but our brain needs extra help now. Here's something most people don't realize. The time right before bed matters the most. Why? Because most of your brain's repair work happens while you sleep. During deep sleep, your brain is busy cleaning out waste, repairing cells, and organizing memories. But it can only do this if it has the right fuel. If you give your brain the right nutrients before bed, you're giving it the tools it needs to repair itself overnight. And this isn't just something I say. Harvard Medical School has published research showing that certain nutrients eaten before sleep can support brain repair during the night. Now, let's get to the fruits. The first fruit is blueberries. You've probably heard they're good for you, but do you know why? Blueberries are packed with anthocyanins, powerful antioxidants that cross into your brain and fight the damage caused by free radicals. A study from Tufts University found that older adults who ate blueberries showed better memory after just 12 weeks. The amount is simple: half a cup of blueberries, fresh or frozen, eaten about 1 hour before bed. The second fruit is kiwi, that small, fuzzy green fruit. Kiwi helps you sleep better, and better sleep means better brain repair. It contains serotonin, a chemical that helps your body relax and fall asleep faster. A study from Taiwan found that people who ate 2 kiwis before bed fell asleep 35% faster and slept more deeply. And deep sleep is when your brain does most of its cleaning and repair work. Eat 2 medium kiwis about an hour before bed. You can cut them in half and scoop out the inside with a spoon. It's easy and mess-free. The third fruit is tart cherries. Not the sweet ones, the tart variety. You can find them in the frozen section of most grocery stores or buy dried tart cherries. Tart cherries contain melatonin, the hormone that tells your body it's time to sleep, along with powerful antioxidants that protect your brain. Research from the University of Michigan showed that older adults who consumed tart cherries had less inflammation in their brains. Less inflammation means better memory and healthier brain cells. You need about 1/3 of a cup of tart cherries or 4 ounces of tart cherry juice with no added sugar. Here's your simple routine. About 1 hour before bed, eat half a cup of blueberries, 2 kiwis, and 1/3 cup of tart cherries. You can eat them together or spread them out over 20 minutes. Drink a glass of water with them. That's it. Nothing complicated. Nothing expensive. You can find all 3 fruits at any grocery store, and the total cost is usually less than $10 a week. Before you try this, here's something important. These fruits are safe for most people, but if you take blood thinners like warfarin, talk to your doctor first. Kiwi contains vitamin K, which can affect these medications. If you have diabetes, keep an eye on your blood sugar. Fruit contains natural sugar, which is healthy, but you still need to monitor your levels. And if you take sleeping pills, check with your doctor before adding kiwi or tart cherries, because they help you sleep naturally. This is about being smart and safe while giving your brain the support it needs. Now, let me tell you what to expect. This is not a magic pill. You won't wake up tomorrow with perfect memory. But here's what might happen. In the first week, you may notice that you sleep better. Many people see this first. You fall asleep faster, wake up less during the night, and feel more rested in the morning. That's the kiwi and tart cherries working. Better sleep gives your brain more time to repair itself while you rest. After 2 to 3 weeks, you might notice small changes. Maybe you remember where you put your glasses. Maybe you recall a name you forgot last week. These are small wins, but they matter. After 6 to 8 weeks, the changes may become clearer. You might feel sharper during the day. Conversations may feel easier. You might remember appointments without checking your calendar 3 times. After 3 months, many people report feeling more confident, more like themselves. Margaret noticed this, and other patients have told me the same thing. Here's the truth. This works best when you do it consistently. Every night, not just when you remember. Your brain needs this support regularly. Think of it like watering a plant. One time won't help much, but water it every day, and it grows stronger. Let me share 2 more stories with you. Robert is 68 and lives in Tampa, Florida. He's retired from teaching. Robert started forgetting lesson plans when he volunteered at his local school. He felt embarrassed. He tried these 3 fruits for 2 months. Now he volunteers twice a week, and he says his memory feels almost as good as it did 10 years ago. He doesn't forget the kid. Then there's Linda. She's 75 and lives in Michigan with her husband. Linda was forgetting recipes she'd made for 40 years. She'd forget ingredients, forget cooking times. It frustrated her. She started eating these fruits every night. After 8 weeks, she made her famous apple pie from memory, no recipe card needed. Her husband said it was the best one she'd ever made. Linda says these fruits gave her confidence back. I want to be honest with you. This doesn't work the same for everyone. Some people notice big changes. Others notice smaller improvements. Every brain is different. But the research is clear. These nutrients support brain health, may help protect your memory, and are safe and simple to try. Here's what I want you to do. Try this for 30 days. Get some blueberries, kiwis, and tart cherries. Keep them in your kitchen. Every night, about 1 hour before bed, eat them: half a cup of blueberries, 2 kiwis, and 1/3 cup of tart cherries. Do this consistently. Pay attention to how you feel. Do you sleep better? Do you feel sharper? Can you remember things more easily? Write it down if that helps. And I want to hear from you. Leave a comment below and tell me, are you going to try this tonight? Just type yes or no. If you've been struggling with memory, type the word hope. I want you to know you're not alone. Thousands of seniors are watching this right now, and many of them feel exactly like you do. We're in this together. Thank you for watching today, and thank you for trusting me with something so personal. Your brain health matters. Your memory matters. You matter. If this video helped you, please share it with a friend who might need to hear this. Someone who's worried about their memory, someone who wants to stay sharp and independent. Together, we can help more seniors feel confident again. Take care of yourself